And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 39. Let me show you how you can create a frame. It's kind of like a border that we create. I'll copy the original, Ctrl J. And then you can use the marquee tool like this, or just press Ctrl A, which selects all. Under select, you can see that. Let me deselect it. I go to select all. And there you go, we've got our marching ants on the outside. Next step is to right click. But keep in mind, this is not going to work when you have the move tool active. It's going to give you a warning message then that it can't move the layer or the selection. In our case, we have the marquee tool active, so it's not a problem, and we can select stroke here. But I always like to put stuff on its specific layer so that we can work with it, just in case something doesn't work out the way we want it. So instead of using that directly, I create a new layer first, which is empty, layer 1. I rename that to frame, and then I right click, go to stroke. And you already know that menu from an earlier tutorial. You can select the color here, set the width. In my case, 50 is fine for this image size. You have to resize it though. Important is the location. When you put it on the outside, it's going to be outside of the selection, which in our case would be outside of the canvas, so we wouldn't be able to see it. Therefore, outside isn't something that we want to use. Center would cut the width in half, so at 50 we would have a frame of 25 pixels, and inside would put it all inside of the frame. So this is what I want to use here. Keep the default for blending, so normal opacity 100%. Then confirm, and there you go. Press Ctrl D or select deselect to get rid of the marching ants, and now you've got your frame, your border created for any image size. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.